Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the body tutorial in Berry Avenue. So if you want to customize your avatar's body in Berry Avenue, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change and adjust your avatar's body type, height, and proportions to get the perfect look. So here is my current body in the Berry Avenue. If you want to change it, you can just tap on this arrow and go to avatar, and now you can tap on menu, choose body. Now select the second one in here on the list to select the body. So here is the body that I'm currently using. So I'm using the woman revamp as my current body. You can just use this keyword and choose the first or the second one in here and choose the part that you want to use. So I wear the arms, legs, and also the torso. And for the hair, if you want to change it, you can just click on the hair options in here and you can explore the hairstyle or hair shape that you want. Okay, and for the makeup, you can tap on menu again, go to clothing, and choose face. This face tab, and this is my current makeup that I'm currently using. You can see there are lots of makeup look that you can use for your avatar. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.